Hi, I'm Lauren from Zestful Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the ribs from a turkey breast. You'll use this technique of removing the ribs for both just a bone-in turkey breast or a spatchcock turkey, so this can work for both types. First thing we're going to do is pat it dry just so it's safer to work with. You don't want it slipping and sliding all over the place. So I'm going to pat it dry, and then we will remove the ribs. So the easiest way to figure out where to start cutting is to follow this white line of fat. That's going to direct you on where to cut the ribs out. And you're just gonna use chicken shears. Kitchen shears. Kitchen shears. So I'm just going to follow that line. I'm gonna flip it. Now this is where you might want a wad of paper towels. The ribs can be kind of sharp, but you're just going to be your best chiropractor and pull it back. So, there, that's what you're looking for. You shouldn't have to cut through any bone. Just popping the joints out should do all the work. And then you can feel between the joints just some tendons that you'll have to cut through. So you can identify that really easily and then take your shears and it will release. And then you can slowly get it out of there. And then it will just come right off. So this is like money if you're gonna make homemade broth or gravy. But I'm gonna pop this in a little Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So when I'm ready to make homemade stock, this will add a ton of flavor. So I'm just gonna set this on this paper towel and then flip this girl over. Really, you should leave it mostly as is. You don't want to trim too much skin because that's going to add a ton of flavor, but you also don't want this hanging down into the pan while it roasts. So I'm just going to trim that a little bit. Just a heart-shaped beauty. It's so cute. And now this is ready for brining or roasting, depending on the recipe you're using. And if you like this, be sure to subscribe for more tips. Oh, it smells like holidays in here. Yum.